Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a vlog. My headband's crooked. Ooh. I'll probably vlog tomorrow too, but we're at a powwow. We're walking back to the car because we're going to get some lawn chairs so we can go sit. It's really hot out. Allie isn't dancing today, I don't think, because it's too hot, she says. I danced grand entry. I'm still sweating after that. But yeah, just walking to the car, getting lawn chairs, and we'll be back. Look all cramped, dude. Okay, well, we finally got in the car, so now we're gonna drive to my cousin's house. She lives right down the road of the Pow grounds.
Hey, we come back fast enough. No! Just backing up all the way. Just get out of the way.
I don't know how to go! There's like, okay, you guys saw how the parking was before. It's like everyone's parking on the side of the road.
Oh my, he's going all the way.
And so there's literally no parking spots. I think they only have like actual parking spots for campers.
Like,
so everyone's parking on the side of the road. I don't know if you can see it. You might see it right there. But there's a car backing up right there. You see it in the back window. He backed up all the way down that road. But we're gonna go down here because we saw an opening space. We saw an opening space.
Who was just talking to us on you?
Do you think we can fit?
You can fit in that one. Just park straight into it. Just kidding. You can try it.
I want to turn around. I want to turn around though because when we're leaving, I want to be able to just.
These people are leaving.
Okay, cool. We'll wait.
So just turn around somewhere. In the driveway.
Or just on the.
Oh.
I feel all stiff in here with my ankle dress on. Dang, now this space is bigger.
Just take both with me. Sure.
Okay, I'll see you guys. Oh, I'll see you guys later. We're using an umbrella because it's so hot out.
We don't really have an umbrella.
Grandpa Reggie, right there, Grandpa Reggie. Woo! Just kidding. Man, I went to go down south there with my Grandpa Reggie one song and it was so long and now I'm all sweaty. No lie. Ooh, your hair, girl. Right there.
Pull it out.
We're all hot, dude. Danced like 2 songs and I'm sweaty. But we're waiting in line for food right now, even though it's not really dinner. We're hungry. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. Oh, and Allie got all dressed up too.
Oh yeah.
a traditional powwow. There's about 300 dancers here today. They said they'll probably get more this evening. Your brain's all coming out. Me, Jim, food.
Wait, are you meaning to record this?
Yeah.
I was like, well, that is really pausing.
I wanted to make sure I put it in there. We're just looking around at different vendors. I bought some hide, very cheap. How much do you think this is? It looks so soft. Ooh,
Oh, look at this bag.
that's nice.
This is super nice. ABC. What are these?
You put water in them and then they make the little bird sound, remember? I used to get them all the time when we lived with Grandma.
Woo! Good one there, Jerry. Jimmy, go. Give it up for David Logan. Good one. It's Bouge Manitoube. On the list is Eric Kingbird.
Just sitting down now. We got out of our regalia because it's break time, dinner time, but we already had dinner before. No. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about the food stand we went to. It took like 40 minutes for our freaking order to come in. I was about to say something, but I was like, whatever, never mind. And then they ran out of cheese when we got there. Well, by the time like our order
We
came
have
up.
a tie.
Hold on, so they just announced they have a tie between, what is his name? Something Logan. find her.
Our next singer in the tiebreaker is Bouge Manitowabi.
And I wanna kiss you, but you have to wait till my next court date.
Holy.
Hey, oh, hey, hey.
They just said Dave and Logan won out of the tiebreaker. So when me and Allie were going to vendors looking at their stuff, there was one stand that had like a black belt and it had like metal hearts going down it, and I really liked it, and it looked like it was about my size. So I asked the guy and he took it down for me, and I was looking at it, and there was like an older man. He was sitting in the back, and he was listening to me talking to the other guy that was working at that vendor stand too. And I said something like, do you guys just take cash? He was like, no, we take credit too. And then the old guy heard that in the back, and he was like, what did she say? Or what is she asking? And the guy was like, she's asking if they take cash, or only cash. And he was like, oh. And then the guy in the front was like, you could pay with a credit card. And I was like, okay. And he was like, would you be paying with the credit card if you did get it? I was like, yeah. And then the old guy heard that too, and he was like, I'll sell it to you for $180 if you pay with cash. And then there was a pause, and then he was like, and if you also give me your number. And I started laughing. I was like, holy. I obviously didn't get it because that's a lot of money, and I'm on a trip right now, so I don't really feel like spending that kind of money right now. I was laughing so hard, though. I'm pretty sure he was joking, but you never know. But yeah, my sister just bought cotton candy. She gave me a whole bunch. As big as my head, yo. It's crazy.
As big as that dog at home.
Here's my sister. Oh, it was only $3 for those 2 bags. That's crazy. Good deal, huh?
Everything seems cheaper.
Yeah, that's true. My lipstick's coming off a little, but it's whatever. I'm pretty sure my cousin left back to her house until about now, because I think Grand Entry is supposed to start soon. I don't really feel like dancing this evening because I kind of ripped the sole of my moccasin, and I don't really feel like fixing it right now.
Amara
So there's that.
said that Karen's at the baseball field. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know where that is.
Maybe we'll stop by tomorrow, but I'm not sure because if my moccasin's broke right now, I don't really have. I bought leather here, but I don't have my leather needle or sinew, so I can't really fix it here this weekend.
Needle?
Yeah, is it called the hide needle? What is it called? It's those thicker ones. I don't know, but I don't have that here with me, so I'm gonna have to do that at home. which is not gonna be until, I'm not gonna be home until Thursday evening.
Evening? Like 6?
I don't know, it depends on what time we leave on Thursday. But yeah, it'll be cool. My grandpa Reggie told Allie that he has cable and internet, so that's cool. So it won't be too boring if we're just sticking at his house, because everyone that's at the house is kind of working.
And
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and older. They're like our uncles, pretty much. And dad and grandpa.
For the day? I'm just kidding.
No way, Jose.
But that's 2 hours away.
That's what I'm saying. You sound like a seagull. She's so embarrassing. I don't even know why I want to go on road trips with her. Probably because I'm lonely AF.
Not really. I want to get one of those bird things. How much are they? $4?
I don't know.
That'd be cool. This is actually worth it.
Anyways, I'll see you guys later. So I'm back at my cousin's house right now. I don't think anyone's here. My sister went with my cousin Farron and her siblings and mom to a ball game. I just wanted some downtime. I feel tired. I think the sun warmed me out today. But yeah, I'm just chillaxing now. I think I feel so worn out because of like driving and everything. There's just so much driving. I'm just not used to it yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog today. Maybe I'll do a day 2 tomorrow if I stay for the powwow long. But I might leave early tomorrow just because I want to get to my Grandpa Reggie's place soon because my dad's there and he's expecting me and Allie to come too. I felt bad, but he texted me and he thought we were coming to Cloquet to the reservation today, and he texted and said that he's waiting at the buffet for us at Black Bear Casino, and I was like, what the heck? And then an hour later after that text he first sent, he said, just got home. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so bad. But yeah, hopefully we'll get to Fond du Lac reservation at a good time tomorrow. Can't wait to see my dad. I haven't seen him in a couple months, I think. We're gonna stay at my Grandpa Reggie's house Sunday through Thursday morning, and then we're gonna head out to Michigan because I'm head dancer for Portage Pow powwow next weekend, which will be pretty fun. So that's why we have to head back so soon, or else I'd stay longer at my Grandpa Reggie's house. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.